Now, to get incentive for people to become your fans, they have just recently added a fan-exclusive track tool to Reverb Nation. And what that means is that anybody listening to your songs will be able to listen to a snippet of whatever song is a fan-exclusive. They're not going to be able to hear the whole 3-minute version. But if they become your fan, then they'll be able to hear the whole song or download it or whatever you allow them to do. But to create a song and make it fan-exclusive, if you don't do it when you're importing the song, you can just go to Edit, and then you can change the setting right here from streaming to fan-exclusive download and streaming, or to just fan-exclusive streaming only. And that would be the way to change a track you already have up to make it give people more incentive to join as a fan. If they really like the song, they're going to join because they want to hear the rest of it, which is going to give you more fans, which hopefully will give you more promotion. And it all kind of works around itself and helps everything out and helps you out as well as your music.